Hi, YouTube fam. Listen, thank you so much for stopping in on my video. Welcome. Please, do me a huge big favor and subscribe to this channel for more content, for us making money, ideas, or anything for us being successful. Please subscribe. Take the time to like and leave a comment so that I can see what you all are interested in, because I want to build this channel around what you all like. So I can't do that if you don't let me know, okay? And again, I thank you as always. So today we're going to be talking about meditation, because meditation is very important for you to do. You really can't be successful if you have a cluttered mind and you're doing this and that, everything of that nature. I know for me, I have to have that me time, okay? Because if I do not, this right here is constantly, and baby, I get irritated, I get upset. I feel like I'm running in a circle, can't get nothing done. You just gotta have that time, okay? But before we get started, my name is Roxy, and of course on this channel we talk about everything's money. Hi everyone, we're going to start off with a scripture for today. Let your faith be bigger than your fear. Hebrews 13:16. I do want to apologize in advance because I will be looking down sometimes because I need to reference to what I have here, okay? But meditation provides you with quality me time. Being extremely busy necessitates spending a lot of time with other people, whether it is at jobs, school, home, social gatherings, and etc. Although spending time with others is vital, okay? When was the last time you gave yourself at least 10 minutes just to let me figure out what I need for a second, okay? Let me take my cape off so I can figure out how I could get rejuvenated. All right, it's important. Do that. You can get the necessary me time through meditation, which is essential for refilling your cup at the end of the day. All right, it's not only me time in the sense of being by yourself, away from others and away from your regular thoughts. Spend time connecting, resetting, and reflecting with your inner self. All right, giving yourself me time helps you relax, enables self-discovery, and eventually enhances your happiness and life satisfaction, because you become more aware of yourself and your needs. All right, and in the long run, that will get you set up in a place where you could be successful, because sometimes we do find or put a lot of time in others, and while we're so busy building everybody else up, well, what are we doing for ourselves? All right, not saying don't be that person or don't help, because yeah, I'm a big helper. I love to help others get to where they're going. That's important, to me. I love doing stuff like that as well, but you cannot forget about yourself. All right, so that's the information that I want to give to you for starters. Also, I want to let you know that they have, that if you are actually someone that's interested in to providing meditation services online, you could do that as well and make money, because a lot of people need that, because some people can't do it by themselves. Like me, for instance, I'm talking about me, okay? I could sit there for about 10 minutes and try to, but I'll drift off and start, oh, I need to do this. I gotta do this. Oh my God, I wanted this so-and-so get that information that I sent. So we need people that we could, reach out to online for meditation services, because sometimes like people like me, I don't have that self-discipline enough to even give myself 10 minutes of free time or an hour of free time, because I done started doing something else or working on something else and haven't even given myself that me time that I honestly, really and truly need. All right, so let's talk about that. 7 steps to start your online meditation business. The meditation and mindfulness industry is one of the fastest growing health movements in America, and starting a meditation business online is an excellent way to take advantage of this growing industry. While reflecting on the hundreds of students we've helped create their meditation business plans, I broke the process of setting up a meditation business into 7 key steps. I hope you get something out of it. All right. And when I say I, wasn't me, this is the company that I'm talking about here. How to create a meditation business in 7 steps. 1, get appropriate meditation training. Obviously, if you're building a meditation business, you need to be able to facilitate meditation experiences for your clients or audience. Completing a meditation facilitator training is both the most efficient and effective way to obtain the knowledge you need without having to go through years of trial and error. Now, there are a lot of meditation trainings on the internet, but very few of them are designed for entrepreneurs like yourself. Most trainings focus on creating meditation teachers, not guided meditation facilitators. Now, here's the difference. Meditation teacher teaches students how to meditate, including demonstrating proper posture, breathing techniques, and etc. A guided meditation facilitator guides participants through a meditation experience using guided imagery and targeted questions to assisting people in finding the clarity around specific topics. If you want to build a successful meditation business, your business needs to produce results for clients. If you want to produce results for your clients, you need to help them solve serious problems, and teaching your clients about the meditation techniques, the history of meditation, religions, or stuff like that is not going to cut it. What will cut it is becoming an immersive meditation leader. Okay. And this is a lot of helpful information here, but learning how to lead a guided meditation is one thing, but a good meditation trainer will also need to teach you how to implement your skill set and practice. Make sure that any meditation teacher training you invest in covers how to integrate meditation into a coaching session, how to create workshops, how to facilitate group meditations, how to facilitate on Zoom, how to create meditation audios, how to shoot and light video, and any other topics you need to implement your training right out of the gate. So make sure that the meditation training you choose has a long-term group coaching and mentorship program in place so you can get your questions answered as you're learning, starting to build your business and guiding your first meditation. So choosing your niche, all right? So if you're focused on your meditation business services on a specific niche, write an effective marketing copy for your website, ads, or social media profile becomes far easier. If you target your message to everyone, it will resonate with no one. All right. But if you focus on solving the problems of a specific demographic, it's obvious you can have a craft and compelling message that will resonate with millions of computer engineers around the globe who are hamstrung, but their fear of public speaking. Okay? Focusing on a specific problem means you can provide a specific solution in the way of your offer. So offers that solve specific problems are worth more to potential clients, meaning you can charge more and with a clear objective in mind. A niche targeted offer will be easier for you to craft. Third, craft your offer. The success of your meditation business will depend upon the effectiveness of your offer. So it's important that you take the time to craft an offer that delivers on the promise of solving your niche's problem. Also, it is important that the format of your offer is congruent with the amount of work necessary to produce the desired outcome. Okay. Fourth, choose the delivery for your offer, whether it's going to be workshops and events, group or one-on-one coaching, or online courses, things of that nature. 5, sell before you build, because before you invest a lot of time and money in building a website, branding and marketing your business, you want to make sure that there's a demand for what you are selling. That's why you will sell before you build. There wouldn't be anything worse than spending months building an online course for computer engineers looking to overcome their fear of public speaking, only to find out that computer engineers don't desire a solution to that problem. And the easiest and most effective way to test the demand for your meditation business services is to speak directly with your niche and try to sell them on your service. 6, you will build your website. It is very imperative to establish your online presence, regardless if you offer your product or service online or in person. All right, so you could go ahead and create a website easily and go ahead and include your business name, logo, and your specific color to your brand. Ensure to include who you are, what you do, and your solution. 7, you will advertise your meditation business. Once you have your website up and running, it's time to go ahead and start writing your advertising, marketing, and generating sales for your business. All right. You do have a few paths you could take. You could utilize Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, things of that nature, direct outreach. Those are just a few that I named, but there's many different ways to go ahead and get your services marketed out there. So in conclusion, if you are ready to go ahead and get started with this step, with the next steps, this site has left a link that will get you started on the guided meditation facilitator training process. All right. In which I will leave that link in my description box below. So let me know in the comments if you all are interested in this information and if you started this practice as well. All right, y'all have a great day, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you all for watching.
You get to cry. Thank you.